In this video, we'll explore the importing and exporting of an existing Juji chatbot. Why would you want to import and export your Juji chatbot? Firstly, backup and recovery. By exporting your chatbot, you can create a backup copy of your chatbot's configuration, data, and settings. For small changes, just keep a change log so you can undo them manually if needed. If you have deployed a major release and things don't go as planned, you can import the original version. Collaboration. If you are working on a team with other developers or stakeholders, you can export your chatbot and share it with others. This can make it easier to collaborate and make changes to the chatbot. Testing. You can export your chatbot and test it in a development or staging environment before deploying it into a production environment. This can help you identify and fix any issues before your chatbot goes live. And finally, sharing. If you have created a chatbot that you want to distribute to others, you can export it and share it as a file or upload it to a marketplace or app store. This can help you reach a wider audience and expand the use of your chatbot. Firstly, let's look at the import process. From the chatbots page, click the Import a Chatbot button. You will then be required to browse and select the chatbot export you wish to import. Once you've selected it, click the green Import button. Once imported, you will be launched straight into the main chat flow of your imported chatbot. At this stage, the first thing you should do is rename your chatbot so it's clear what the chatbot is. To rename your chatbot, head into the chatbot settings on the top menu. You will see the imported name at the top. Click this and type in the new name. Click off or hit return to apply the name change. Now let's look at the export process. Click on the three dots on the chatbot you wish to export. Click Export. You'll notice that now you have an export that you can be shared or saved as a backup you can return to later. That's as simple as it is to import and export your Juji chatbots. If you require any further assistance, just reach out. Take care.